Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 21st, 2025, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern close enough slingshot. H pattern moving average bounce. H pattern close enough slingshot. H pattern close enough moving average bounce. Lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a free trade, and we're going to wait for this price to jump above the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So we impulsed up, we're in a corrective wave. Let's copy this. So here soon, I expect the price to go to our dollar marker again and past it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if we get close enough to that $2 marker, we're going to punch out. At this point right now, we're going to lock in $1.50 guaranteed. And we're going to punch out right.
Order filled.
And there's about a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.